In this recording, I'm going to show you how to import a practice log totals using a form via Google Drive. This here is the makeup form, and if you just take a snapshot of that and set up yours the same. To do a Google form, just search Google Forms and you'll be able to make one up. You need a Gmail account to be able to do it. And basically what happens here is that we need the month. They choose what month it's applicable for. So let's say this is for their November practice. They fill in their name, they put in their ID, which you'll need to give them. That's a number that's created when you create a new contact on your FileMaker. And this is the total practice score. And then they can put in a comment in there. You can see with the red stars, the rest asterisks means that they need to fill in those. So once they've done that, they click submit, and then it appears over on a form here. So what happens is we've got down the bottom here form results 1, so you'll get a spreadsheet, and then what you're going to do is you'll get several fields here, but all we want to do is take these fields here, basically their name, their ID, their minutes, and any comments there. We then copy those across to here, and so we get here, and you're going to copy it into this corner, so we get their IDs and their practice minutes, etc. From there you're going to go to file, and you're going to hit download and go to so you're basically exporting it as a CSV file. It will then appear on it'll get downloaded, and it'll come up on the top here where you can then bring it onto your desktop. So you need to drag it wherever it downloads, depending on what browser you use. You then need to put it onto your desktop. And then this is really important, by the way. You need to call your sheet PL, so for practice log in lowercase PL, and you need to call this sheet import, all in lowercase. So what happens is it produces a file which is called PL space import.csv. Has to be named that. If it's not named that, then it won't work, because the script is looking for that particular name, PL space import.csv. So even if for some reason it doesn't come out like that, you'll need to rename it like that. So once you've got that file, then the next step is to import it into your FileMaker. So we'll bring up FileMaker here, and what we're going to do is go into the settings, and then you're going to see down the bottom here PL import list. So click on that, and then that'll bring you to this sheet here, which will show you basically what will happen is you'll get all the listings that you've imported, or all the practice, whether you've imported them or added them indirectly. These are all the entries that you have, so you can see like multiple entries for different people for different months. And all you need to do is click on the import practice log CSV. So when I click on that, you can see it imports those ones instantly off there, and now you'll see that this appears on that particular student. So if I go here to their card and I go to practice log, then now that's imported there. That's that one there. So that's it, done. If you have any questions, let me know as always.